Hey everybody, this is Shawn with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and tonight I want to go ahead and make a couple different margaritas that you'll find at Disney World. So the one I'm going to go ahead and start off with today is the avocado margarita, which is one of the more popular drinks in all of Disney. So obviously I'm going to start off with an avocado. And this drink can actually be found at La Cava de Tequila, which is in Epcot in Mexico in the World Showcase. You can also find it in Cocachina Frontera, which is located in Disney Springs. So this particular recipe calls for a quarter of an avocado. I'm using a smaller avocado, so I'm going to use half of it. So go ahead and get that in there. A lot of people are really afraid of using avocados in drinks or in smoothies. Something I personally love to do, and I do it the majority of the mornings for my smoothie with spinach and almond milk. It doesn't really give a lot of flavor to a drink. It just makes it makes it a little bit smooth. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 ounce of lime juice, and I'm using fresh squeezed lime juice here. And I'm just going to pop that right into the blender. Usually you get about 1 ounce of juice out of each lime. So I'm going to go ahead and use one lime in there. I'm then going to go ahead and add in 1.5 ounces of agave nectar. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this blue agave nectar. There. And then I'm going to go ahead and start adding my liquor. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a melon liquor. I'm going to go ahead and put in 1.5 ounces of that. So this would be like a liquor like this, or even a Midori if you want to add a Midori. I'm then going to go ahead and add in 1 ounce of orange liqueur, which I'm using Cointreau. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my tequila. So you want to use probably a silver tequila for this. So I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 ounces of that. And then you're going to want to go ahead and start blending that. And as you're blending it, you're going to want to add in about 3/4 a cup of ice. I'm then going to go ahead and salt my glass. If you go to Disney, they actually use an hibiscus salt, but I don't have any of that, so I'm just going to use regular salt there. All right, there's that. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little lime wheel on there. And that is your avocado margarita from Epcot or in Disney Springs. Next drink I'm going to do is a sunset margarita, and this can be purchased exclusively at Disney Springs at the dockside, which is located right on the water there. Really cool little place. So let me go ahead and salt my glass for this one just to get that ready. All right, again, I'm going to use about a cup of ice in this one here. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 ounce of sweet and sour. And I'm just using Lefty O'Doul's sweet and sour. I'm not really sure who that is. I think he's an old baseball player, actually. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 ounce of orange juice. I'm going to go ahead and add in an orange liqueur as well. And I'm just going to use 1/2 ounce of this. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my lime juice. kind of did that out of order. Normally you want to put in all your mixers and bitters and everything first and do the liquor last, but that's all right. We're going to get it right here. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in my tequila. So they call for Don Julio Reposado. I don't have Don Julio, so I'm just using Cabo Wabo, which is just as good a quality tequila, I think. All right. And there you go. That is your sunset margarita. So go ahead and try these at home. If you like them, you like the recipe, I'll have it posted down below. Go ahead and follow me and I'll be sharing some more recipes for you. Have a great weekend. Thanks.